Traders, we're looking at the Aussie CAD. I'm just going to go out to the weekly time frame. My bias with this at the moment, well, it would be bullish more than anything. Okay, I'm following this price action through here. Now it's traded into a bearish order block up in here, but you can see that it reacted off that. So in terms of a potential draw on liquidity, if that, so you can see higher highs, higher lows, it's trending up. So I'm thinking we might see continuation given that we have, this higher high. So my bias on the higher time frame would be bullish. Now let's go to the daily. It's the same thing on the daily. We've got this break of market structure here. So bullish break of market structure on the daily time frame. BOS looks okay, and I'm always looking for an entry point. Look, this would have been, look, have a look at this, 50% on the Fibonacci. See down in here, that would have been a buy, but it's kind of well and truly past our use by date, right? That would have been an idea, an entry down in here. But now we're kind of chasing price, so let's not do that. But the kind of setup that I would like to see through here would be, because we don't know if this is going to trade further south. We've got this big green candle here. So the next port of call in terms of support would be these highs. So let's just call it support. Support. Hang on. It's there somewhere. Oh, I don't have it. Okay. Oh, no, that's not it. All right. Just make it a line. There you go. So that white line is a support line. I'll just call it support. Something like that. Take out the fib. There's support. This here is also a key level. It's traded into it. But look, we'll go down to the 4-hour time frame and I'll give you my entry criteria with this. See how, we had this break of structure and it's traded north. Now we've got this. I'm not looking to trade it south. I really want a buy opportunity. If it continues south, I mean, it very well could continue on this trajectory. Let me just grab a pencil. All right, that is possible. All right, but I'm not interested in catching that. What I'd be more interested in would be this. Given the higher time frame is bullish, this is the reason, right? Let's just scrunch this up. We've got a swing on the higher time frame, the daily price swing low to high, and call this expansion and the retrace. And I'm looking for further expansion. So for me to get involved with this now, I'm going to want to see price to break this high here. If it breaks this high and we see a retest and fail at that point, that would be an entry point right there. Okay, that. All right, so I'm putting this on the watch list. As you can see, it's colored orange. And as I'm interested in this, but I want to see this. Look, it's a trend, and we've got higher. Well, this trend here was cracked here, right? Now it's trending down. So we've got this thing going on, right? So what I want to see is the break of this, and then potentially, if it breaks up in here, that's my entry point. It's a break of market structure, not necessarily the diagonal that I'm looking for. This is just to demonstrate that it's in a trend, right? All right, it's a break of market structure that I'm looking for, a BOS right there. So this goes on the watch list for potential a buy opportunity if this sets up. All right, I think that more or less wraps it up, guys. So that's my take on the Aussie CAD. Now, if this doesn't set up, then there's no trade, or we let it go, okay? So with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.